Usimbut Menteri Rang ba Khuborjylla ba Prestone tensong ula banjur ba ka Meghalaya ba Assam kide ban Treilang banwa de kilat jingada na ka Jingshlei ndrei ban keno markeliang. Habakran bat kilat pathai Khubor uba tensong ula ong ba ka Jingshlei ka jujia haki jaka balong madan bat la ban penduna lada don kanala bat kilenti yaj ki bapaka. Ula ong ru baki consultant bat kitenat ba pentre ki project kila shimkhia ya kini ki benta haba penkre ki project surok bat jingyo jingeso. Ula banjur baka Meghalaya kadon haki jaka lum kadba ka Assam kadon haki jaka bashapo. Kumta ka jingya jengko kadai ka Shillong Mariang. Kumta ki arjela kidai bane Treilang banwa de ki jingya da ba NEHU na ka Jingshlei bat ban shu ya keno markeliang.
The flood happens because of what? It is not in the hilly. It happens in the lower level. When you are in the lower level, if a proper drainage or a proper infrastructure is designed, so naturally it happens. And you can't even know exactly when are we receiving heavy rainfall or low rainfall. It's not possible, humanly speaking, to foresee all these kind of challenges. So therefore, I think this blame time and again, I think comes to Meghalaya. It comes to Meghalaya easily just because we are in the higher level, whereas Assam is in the lower level. So we can't help it. I mean, it's not possible to directly blame to Meghalaya, or it's not possible Meghalaya also to blame Assam. I think ultimately we are responsible, both. We are together responsible. Why do we have a low level? Why do we have high level? Do you understand my point? So we both are equally responsible here. In fact, the concerned consultant engaged, whether by the state or by the central government, that component is already there. They need to also take into consideration all these issues. Drainage system has to be properly done. Then again, maybe the culvert system has to be also in place. These are the issues where they have already taken care of. And then yes, about this coming project, because see what happened is Assam, they will have a 6-lane ring road. So it will be benefited to Meghalaya too, because from Sonapur, again we will convert our Meghalaya road towards Silcha as a speed corridor, and from Sonapur somewhere it will connect somewhere in this Khubor site only, that speed corridor, and it will be meeting here somewhere in that Umya, yes, in that that speed corridor which is high speed. Yes.